Andy Eigenman naglabas ng kanyang hinanakit at hindi magandang saloobin sa nasabing nga pong kasalukuyang nagaganap na landscaping sa Siargao. Ibinahagi ni Andy Eigenman ang kanyang sentimiento sa pagsira sa natural na kagandahan ng Siargao ngayon. Anyway, mula sa kanyang post, narito po ang ibinahagi ni Andy Eigenman. Mula sa napakagandang scenery ng Siargao, hindi na nga ba ito maibabalik talaga sa dati sa ginawang landscaping? Gone are the days when people came to Siargao simply to enjoy the island for what it truly is, to surf, to connect with the locals, to celebrate without needing to post every moment. Back then, being here meant being part of a community and respecting the rhythm of nature. Now we see others coming in for the aesthetic. For the Siargao is my home, brah. Those who are completely missing the point. Some even go as far as backhoeing beach fronts for their luxury villas, touching what has not been touched for a reason. What they don't realize is that when you're disrupting nature, it will never be the same again. Or do they realize this and simply just don't give a blank? I don't like chiming into these issues on social media, but this island needs to be protected for the locals who are its true stewards for the surf that made it special. And ibinahagi ni Andy ang nasabi nga pong dating maganda na scenery. Visitor, how do you feel about your island now? This video is taken before they use excavator to remove the natural rocks that made Cloud9 waves perfect standing barrels. After the excavation, narito na po ang naging resulta. Ang dating rock na nakatayo ay na-flat na ngayon. At talaga namang nawala na ang ganda ng sinasabi ni Andy Eigenman. Masakit para nga kay Andy ang makita na sinisira ng mga nasabi nga pong businessman ang hindi naman na dapat nila galawin dahil ito ay hindi nila pagmamay-ari. Ayon kay Andy, seriously breaking the reef just to make a wider, more swimmable beachfront for a resort. Where do we draw the line between profit and destruction? Between mindless capitalists who don't understand the fabric of the island, the culture, what this area means to local surfers and even natural itself. If the local wanted this spot to be more swimmable 100 years ago, they would have removed it. But they no, because they understand the importance of what this reaps to the area. Don't be entitled to do the same just because it's in your resort beachfront, a beach you do not own. Say pa ni Andy, Siargao is not just a place to exploit for profit. It is a living island with nature and people who cares deeply for it. If you come here only for money and not for the land or sea, remember, the natural forces of the universe have their way of sending you out. Respect this island or it will reject you. I will just correct Andy, it's not the universe. Kasi ang universe ay ginawa din ng Panginoon. Kaya naman ang lahat ng yan may harang inilagay ng Panginoon for protection. Kung aalisin ng tao, talagang ito ay babalik sa kanila, hindi lamang 100 times. Yan ang ating Showbiz Snap update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Snap.